Here it's more on learning, not on certification. Here you are more focused on how you can implement things in the real world, less focus on how much grades you are getting in certification and how you can use this to promote yourself. The balance is properly maintained over here. Hi, I'm Sachin Yadav. Past 7 months I was associated with Craftshella. So it's been a really great learning experience, and yeah, just enjoyed it. I was looking for some sort of refresher and learning thing. I started searching for a program. I didn't had any reference, but through online course, I searched different institutions. Later on, I boiled down to Craftshalla because it had few plus points, and it had particular process which they followed. There was one program from Coursera. They were also offering a digital marketing course. So I just compared this courses, and the best factor which I found in Craftshalla was they had a good blend of practical experience and theoretical. So like I was looking for more practical experience because Craftshalla used to follow that 70-20 and 10% pattern. So rest of the program it were much more theoretical, and like in case of theory, I have already done it in my MBA. The Craftshalla stood out in terms of that pattern. So like when I started reading through the notes and going through the videos, it was immediately relatable. And whenever I used to do an assignment, I used to able to think in very different direction. So usually when we work in office or in a professional environment, we have set of tasks and we are constant to think in one direction. But when it came to program, I was able to think in all direction, and it also reflected in the feedback that the insight which we used to provide used to hit a right mark. Okay. So like I'm not wholly included into the brand and marketing part, but I handle operations. So the best key takeaway, I used to always think that when it comes to branding, it's all about doing the creative work and innovative work. But through the program, I understood that the stakeholder management plays a key role. The way you connect with different peoples, how you interact, how you define your problem statements. It's a long process. It's not just like an assignment in an MBA. So definitely, a stakeholder management is one of the things which helps me right now in my career. And when it comes to work, 25 to 30 people do report me, and it's more on a work basis. All things are in set place and all processes are there, so like it's more on that lines. But when it comes to group, it gives a creative freedom. It gives you time to think, to discuss. And I think the main thing which we sometimes don't get that freedom when you're working as the brainstorming time. But when it came to Craftshalla, it's like we used to discuss on the same topic for a longer length. So like I had one person who was an account manager and was working for a food and beverage industry, and one was from a startup. So like they used to provide insight how we should approach this assignment. They used to help me that yeah, we can also see this point of view and bring some new to the assignment. So like the group definitely helped. Yeah, so like Harsh was one of the person who was aligned to us for 2 to 3 feedback sessions. So like he used to give a really good insight. Means like he used to not just focus on the projects, but he used to give us insight how you should approach branding in a real world and what are the real life scenarios. He used to come up with a really great example, and sometimes the feedback session used to extend, but it was worth the time. So like he used to draw his experience and just help us understand that yeah, you are right now in a constrained mindset because you don't have that amount of exposure. So like this sort of steps if you follow, you will understand how you can approach these assignments. And he used to be really honest. He used to make us so comfortable that we used to ask such questions also, like where are we standing in terms of this assignment. If you compare this assignment with a different sort of students in the same program, where are we standing, what sort of things we need to do to improve it. So like he used to give that sort of a feedback also. Craftshala has a really beautiful structure where it gives you that space where you can think properly. It gives you that freedom that you can stick to this topic for a while. It's like you have a proper connect with the concept, you understand properly. And sometimes when institutions are offering program, it becomes very theoretical. It's only like do this, do that, so like you will get a certification. Here it's more on learning, not on certification. Here you are more focused on how you can implement things in a real world, less focus on how much grades you are getting in certification and how you can use this to promote yourself. So like the balance is properly maintained over here. It really helps you to get into the process, and it's like a really good experience. It's more professional, it's like very to the point. You have that content in front of you, and the approach is really good. So like whenever Varun used to interact with us, you see that passion when he's talking, you see that he believes in what he does, and the way he explains the marketing concepts and branding, I think I'm a big fan of him. So I think if your mentors, if your teachers are that involved, I think you get excited about the program. And I think this program does a really good job, that rather than just focusing on the concept, how you can implement small bits of it in the real world. So like if you're looking for a program which focuses on the application part, which uses lot of real world examples, definitely go for the Craftshala program.